Hello friends, this is Leslie here from leslievoice.com. Welcome to the Job Seekers Mastery course. In the previous two videos, we were learning about LinkedIn, how we can use LinkedIn for our job search. This is the final video about LinkedIn. Okay. So in this video, we are going to learn about how we can use LinkedIn for our learning purposes. Right. So I have seen many job seekers, especially freshers, who don't have much money to spend in institutes and go and learn things, but they don't realize there are a lot of opportunities that they can use for their learning purposes. So I'm going to talk about one such feature which LinkedIn gives you to learn a lot of things so that you can actually build your career. It's not just for freshers, it's for experienced people as well, so that you can actually learn a lot of things for free of cost or for through paying money as well, which will help you definitely in your career to grow faster. Okay, so let's get into the LinkedIn site and learn how we can use that LinkedIn feature. Okay, so if you come to linkedin.com and if you log in your profile, if you go to the right top corner, then there is an option called work. You have to click on work and then you have to click on learning here, right? So this is the option that you have to click on. This is learning, right? You can see here. So click on learning. So once you click on learning, it will take you to a new page. Here is the page which LinkedIn offers you. There are a lot of courses, n number of courses available in this site, right? You can learn about Excel, you can learn about job search, you can learn about any particular skill as well. There are a lot of courses in this which you can actually use to learn a lot of things through LinkedIn, right? Many people doesn't know these features in LinkedIn. It's just that people don't use it. So there are a lot of courses which is just free of cost as well. LinkedIn even gives you free 1 month trial period as well, which you can definitely use effectively, right? You sit down learn as much as possible in that 1 month, and if you think that you want to learn more, then definitely you can renew those courses as well. So this option in LinkedIn is a very good option for you to learn a lot of things, right? So how you learn, you have to just go here and search whatever you want. For example, I want to search some particular skill, right? I want to learn about Java. So I'm giving Java as the skill here, and if you see, there are a lot of courses relevant to Java. Java Essential Training, Java for students, advanced Java programming. There are a lot of courses available in this, right? And you can choose, there are different filters as well, like beginner, intermediate, advanced. You can choose all those things and learn whatever you feel like, right? So this is a wonderful tool for people who want to really learn and advance in your career. So make use of this tool. So you need to go to LinkedIn. In the right top corner, there is an option called work. Click on it and then click on learning. Then your new page opens. Search for whatever course you want and learn it, right? So this is how you can use LinkedIn for your job search. I hope you liked all these videos in this series of Job Seekers Mastery course. I hope you liked it. If you really like it, please do share across with your friends. And if you have any questions, please do comment. I am ready to answer that. Thank you very much.